And we're back to learning CSS. Let me show you how you can create CSS variables. I've set up a very simple example here. We have a container with a white background color and a bluish fill. And then the general body has a bluish background color and a black fill. And let's just assume you had multiple of these containers, maybe some buttons, whatever. And then you would always have to add the hex code for your colors. It's way easier to simply set that up in the root as a variable. So we use colon root, curly brackets, and then you add, for example, blue and white. To write variables, you always use minus minus and then the name that you've chosen. And here you add the hex code. And now we can use these variables in our CSS. For example, for the body, the background color was this bluish color. So we use var and then regular brackets. And inside we add the name. So minus minus blue. And for our white background color here of the container, we add variable brackets minus minus white. So everything looks the same as it before. But now we can simply change our hex code up here in the root for the variable, and it's going to affect the entire CSS then. So if you use it a couple of times, you don't have to readjust your hex code in all of these examples, all of these cases where you've used it. Instead, you just have to change the variable. So this is why it's very handy to create these variables and determine them in the root so that you can use them in your entire CSS for this website. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.